In today's video, I will guide you step-by-step process of how to back up Tonkeeper wallet recovery phrases. To back up your recovery phrase, tap on this setting icon and then tap Backup here. Back up your wallet manually by writing down the recovery phrase. Please read the following carefully before viewing your recovery phrase. Tap Continue. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase and keep it somewhere safe. In case you lose your phone or accidentally delete the app, it will help to recover your account. Here you can see there are 24 recovery phrases. Click on Check Backup. Here it will ask for some random phrases. Simply put those and tap Done. Your backup phrases will be added. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.